Today, parent-teacher meetings are more accessible than ever. You don't have to invite them to your office, but to a virtual conference. Google Workspace for Education has made it possible and effortless. The students' parents can join a Google Meet session with teachers or read their children's performance records on Google Docs and Google Forms. We have listed a few practical ways to prepare for parent-teacher conferences using Google Workspace for Education. Do your homework before parent-teacher conference. Firstly, before joining a virtual parent-teacher conference, prepare a detailed sheet of their children's performance. You may include the academic data, the student's interest and performance in extracurricular activities, and behavioral records. It will help them understand the agenda of the virtual meeting and its importance. Therefore, parents will be more invested and focused during the Google Meet session. Take feedback from parents. Secondly, you need to take feedback from parents. An example is to include a call to action button for parents in your email or call. Ask them what problems, issues, and changes they would like to discuss during the meeting. They must have some complaints, suggestions, or messages of gratification that they want to convey to you. Record their feedback in Google Forms and discuss it during the Google Meet session. It is a great way to show your dedication to your students' success. Instruct parents on the use of Google Workspace for Education. Next, you should instruct parents on the use of Google Workspace for Education with methods like an instructional video or infographics for a parent-teacher virtual conference. Google Workspace for Education is an organized and systematic platform. It provides solutions for problems related to organizing and storing your data and has functions like keeping a record of online classes and making a file for every student. Also, as sometimes the discussion can go off track, Google Workspace has a progress sheet you can use to get back on track. It will leave a long-lasting positive impression on the parents. How to ensure productivity while using Google Workspace for Education. Lastly, as students are easily distracted while working online, it is best to block certain aspects of Google Workspace for Education, such as unethical pictures, games, and offensive words. A Chrome extension like SafeDoc from X-Fanatical Inc. can do just that. It provides privacy to students present in the virtual classes and participants in Google Classroom and other such platforms. It eases the work of teachers, as well as increases productivity.